Hey guys, welcome back. A little update on the CB750 rustification project. I ordered a Delkevic exhaust, a 4-into-1 with the megaphone, and I am excited. I want to see it, and I thought maybe you all would too. So let's get a blade here. I'm going the exact opposite of what I usually tell people, which is toward your buddy, not your belly, but I want to get it open. Got here. Well, they're nice and wrapped up well. Let me pull them out of the box. Let's see, we got pipes. Oh, there's all kinds of goodies in here. Holy cow. Some black RTV even. Looks like some hanger part, maybe. Oh, this is where the magic happens right here. Copper sealing rings are in there. Some other stuff it looks like. Let's see, I can get you a better shot. There we go. Yeah, all kinds of fun stuff. Let me get it out of the box and laid out and see what else is in there. Working on this 77 CB750. This is the same exhaust for 1977 and 78 models. I picked the megaphone style exhaust. We are replicating a bike that my dad had back in the late 70s, early 80s, and it had a Kirker exhaust on it. They are a bit cost prohibitive, being about 1,100 bucks. So I decided to try Delkevic. Seems like a lot of people are using this. It's made of stainless steel, TIG welded where needed, like the collector's all TIG welded, very nicely done. The bracketry's TIG welded, it's really sweet. So I'll show you what comes in the kit here. Of course the megaphone's pretty neat, and it's got a, I don't know if you can see it real well here, the laser etched logo in the pipe's pretty neat. The flanges for the exhaust are laser cut. Comes with 15 stickers, so if you're a sticker-holic, there's plenty of stickers for you. It is all polished. You can see they're held together with springs, the collector to the pipes. Whoa! So it's got a ring on there where the springs go. You can see the TIG welding is really first class. The polish is pretty nice. You can see there how clean the welds are. Here are the springs that hold that together. You get the copper exhaust gaskets, some plated hardware, stainless steel clamp that clamps the collector to, or the megaphone to the collector rather. They give you even some sealant. There's another bracket, I'm not really sure where that goes to, but these are rubber bumpers on here. Again, I haven't installed it yet, but I will be soon. You can see the quality of the flange. Like I said, it looks like it's laser cut. And the pipe where it goes in, I don't know if you can see that well, but it's TIG welded. Really nice stuff. Very impressed with the quality of this kit for the money. I mean, they're like $350. The instructions seem to be adequate. I'll show you the end of this megaphone here. It's really finished, nice and polished. It appears that there's a little set screw in there you can pull a baffle out of. So that's kind of neat. It's got a bracket welded on the side. Again, TIG welded, really nice. I mean, if this were, you can't buy this kind of exhaust for an automobile that's anywhere close to the price. And then I'll show you the packaging it comes in. The box is maybe 2 feet wide, or long, foot wide. It's the megaphone goes in here, the foam. It's even got their logo in the foam, which is amazing. I mean, the detail they go through is just crazy. Everything is wrapped in bubble wrap, and you know, upon inspection, I didn't see any problems with it at all. The polish is adequate. If a guy wanted really to go to the ends of the earth to polish it, you could. I think it'd be pretty easy if you had a buffing wheel. Stainless is difficult to polish. It gets really hot quickly, but you could do that. So this video is just, like I said, an unboxing without the boredom of the unboxing itself. So I wanted to show you the quality and what comes in the kit. I couldn't see really anybody that had done that. Again, it'll be going on this 77 that I'm working on. We've got more videos coming out for that one very soon too. So we'll have a video up in the next week or so to show you the installation of the exhaust, along with another couple videos. So if you like what you see, please like my videos, subscribe if you wish to, and appreciate you watching. Thanks for stopping by.